But now when you have gatherings here, you can be in the kitchen talking to people.
I wanted my sister to see it. Pretty much done. He needed to have a little bit more grout, but so we had them for dinner, and like some people were sitting over there and some people were sitting here eating snacks, and Sarah's friend was here with her little girl and she's right there playing the game, and I'm like, yes, this is what I was trying to do.
Yeah.
This was the thing when Nate was here measuring things, and I'm like, Nate, I saw something on HGTV. Do you think we could do this? And
I had to go back through the archives of HGTV and find the cabinet.
yeah.
It looks so nice.
What
would
you change?
Oh, I said that. That's funny you said that, because I said to Brian not that long ago, you know, I look around and I think there's not anything that I say, oh, I wish I would have, or oh, we should have. There's not one of those. I don't have one of those things.
With all these new cabinets, so did you fill them all?
No. I mean,
room for growth.
yeah, there's
Because
room
those
for
two
growth.
pantries, there's a lot of space.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, everybody asks about the microwave. Now what's
Oh, yeah.
what's that?
What
Like
is
that's a microwave. Well, that. Oh yeah, Nate told us about those microwaves.
Yeah.
Profile.
I think they're getting more and more popular.
Yeah. Hey Buffy, what do you use to clean that kind of sink?
I have Korean cleaner I can give you.
Oh really?
Yeah, which I mean it's not all the
Oscar
time. You just
Pro.
want to do it like once a week
Yeah.
or a month.
Yeah.
But I just use like my Dawn dish soap. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you like my little coffee station over there?
Yeah, nice. That was the intention when we did it there, for sure.
Yeah. And I came up through the garage and I went around the corner and I was like, oh my gosh. Like it was just stunning how it